This have enough honey.
That's full up.
That's full of you right now you as strong as you can lift up that box here. No?
Really? Because it's so heavy with honey?
We honey.
Oh man.
Yes, no man.
How do you? When are you gonna take it out?
Then it's supposed to take out from now until next month.
You take it out? Someone else? Next month, huh?
You have the extra time.
So isn't it gonna be like too full to?
Alright, you want me to tell you something?
Mm-hmm.
This is one of the
One of those boxes, yeah.
bet you don't tell me how much gallon of honey you want.
Gallons. Okay.
Reckon
4.
4 gallon?
No.
You have 8 gallon in one of them.
8
Top.
gallons.
Top. Different. This here is a different box from this. You can't easily lift off this one.
Oh, I see. One's
Yeah.
on top of the other. So
And
make one. It's like 2 that make
You
one.
call the top one is super, man.
The top one is called what?
It's super.
The super.
You call the bottom the chamber.
The chamber is the
That's
bottom.
it down where the queen is.
Oh, the queen is at the bottom.
All the while. It's super. Is it make the honey. The bottom box is the chambers where the queen is.
Okay, so they produce the honey up top.
Up the top.
Then it must fall down, right?
But the queen up to always down by the bottom. If you make the queen come up here,
Yeah.
you're not going to get no honey up there. They're larva. They're young.
How do you know the queen isn't up there?
Oh, you get him to stay up different.
How do you keep them from staying down? Or you just don't?
You use excluder. When can pass through the excluder, but the workers pass through it.
Oh, you put something in the box.
Yeah, I already made something. Man.
Oh, you made it?
No,
Oh,
you have to
it's
buy
just
it. You
all.
have to buy it.
Oh, okay.
So you got a lot of excluder. You fit between where the tray then put on.
hmm
It fit right between here.
So the trays are a little lower, and then the extruder
Right.
is right on
And
top.
then it's right there. And then the workers pass through this. But you see this
But the-
one now.
So why can't the queen go through the extruder? It just doesn't?
No, because the queen is larger than these.
Oh, so there's holes just big enough.
If I open the box now and show you a queen, you know, a queen is longer than each one we see passing there. A queen have 19 different colors,
Wow.
psychological colors. You see in this little while now, and 2 weeks you not see him again. And in the right in your hand.
You're saying each queen is different.
No, each box have only one queen.
Okay.
Only one. Whenever time 2 queens come in the box, you get it like the turbo. This one now, he might aggressive.
Aggressive.
Why is that?
bad?
Why is that? Are there 2 queens in there?
No, you can't have 2 queens.
You see this one, him we do attraction. If you don't know where we there and talking now, we have to run up there. These bite you up.
Mm.
Why is that? How do you get them?
Or you get him
aggressive
to
and
do that.
calm? Yeah.
Why is that place different than here? They like it better here.
I don't
Who knows?
really like to tell you about that part, baby.
Yeah? Okay.
Hey, let's
All
go
right,
check
yeah,
out
right.
the barn.
Here, you see this bee side now? You can watch your yard like a dog.
Oh, he's a watchdog for the mellow bees.
Him will bite up, man, as you come
Is there only one aggressive box here?
share them about.
Oh, 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're watchdogs.
And,
Watch bees.
Yo! Bro! Where you there? You will hear him attack you like a German Shepherd.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, if you set him the right way, he can do it. Me make him do it already. Make policeman shoot gun like a bow down. You don't know who he must shoot off. You did
You
your
suck it,
man.
you suck the
Then you
suck
can't
the
take gun shoot off a bow. If you don't want me to
you,
stay,
you sick
no,
the
not
bees
me
on
not
the
going
car.
to eat. No. But if we stay here now and stay do this, I tell you there though.
No, don't call
Yeah.
him out. Come on.
If you do like this and slap you one slap like cutting, slap the machine back to
Yeah.
everybody has to run up to me.
Let's not do that. Oh, you too, huh?
Yeah, man, if you know how on the bill. When we have on the bill, we can do
Check out. You're talking about barn and cool structures, dude. He's got the coolest structure ever. Like, did your dad make this?
I mean, make everything else. These are known. No. It's good for you.
Tuna.
Tuna.
You said you like rust, dude. Look at it.
That's it.
This is history and this is priceless. This is art.
Here is the next one.
Not the next one.
This one. This is the concrete, you know. That's where they drink water. But it's certain bees come here. So the one we sit down there, you know coming here.
The water one. Some drink from that water, some drink from this water.
And the one we drink down at that water. Can't come in and just jump and come in.